Hello kids, I am your English teacher and I am back for you. Okay, then we are on the chapter. We are on the standard 4th and 5th both. There is a subject is English grammar. Okay, there is a standard 4th and 5th both. There is a we have a topic of grammar. There is a articles. Okay, articles means there is a three articles a, and the. Okay, a and d. So there is a three articles. Okay, we can learn about this. Now we are on detail there. First, an article is a word that is used before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something or not. Okay, we already learned in a previous lecture that there is a nouns. Okay, what is a noun? Nouns means the name. Okay, there is a nouns. So an articles is a word. Okay, article is a word that is used before. That is used before a noun. Okay, it's a articles means what? Articles means there is a it is a word and it is used to before a noun to show whether the noun refers to something or not. Okay, to show whether a noun refers to something or not. So it is a articles. Okay, and we have three articles. There is a and d. Okay, a and d. Now we are on there. When a noun starts with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Okay, the vowel we have a 26 alphabet in our A to Z. Okay, in our alphabet there is a 26 alphabet. Okay, 26, and there is only 5 vowels. Okay, there is only 5 vowels. We have a 5 vowels. Listen, we can see here. We have a 5 vowels and other. Okay, we have a totally 26 consonant. So there is a 21 consonant. Okay, so total we have a 26 alphabet. Okay, we have a 26 alphabet. There is only 5 vowels. 5 vowels means A, E, I, O, U. Okay, how many vowels? There is a 5 vowels A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, there is a 5 vowels and other. Okay, and the left is 21 consonant. Okay, so we have a total 26 alphabets there. So when a noun starts with a vowel, okay, there is a noun, there is a name start with the vowel. Vowels, how many vowels? There is a 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. If the noun start with the A, E, I, O, U. Okay, just like A, there is an apple, there is an E, there is an egg, I, ice cream, O, owl, U, umbrella. Okay, just like that. Okay, so we can if the any noun start with the vowels A, E, I, O, U, then we can use the vowels. Okay, we can use the n articles before the vowels. Okay, so now when a noun start with a vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, we use the article and. Okay, we use the article and in case of consonant. Okay, and in case of sound consonant sounds, we use the article A. If there is a consonant sound, okay, when we pronounce the with a consonant, just like there is a university. Okay, university, it's a start with the university, so its pronunciation start with the consonant, so we write there e. Understand? So when a noun start with a vowel sound, then we use a article and if in case of consonant, then consonant sound, then we use the article a. We have some sentence, we have some examples that Rakesh wants blank apple. Rakesh wants, there is a noun, apple is a noun and it is a start with the a. It is a start with the a and a is one of the vowel there. So we write here the articles and. Okay, Rakesh wants an apple. Okay, Rakesh wants an apple. And here Ankit needs blank car. Ankit needs blank car. So Ankit needs car, C-A-R, car, and it is a start with the C words. Car is one of the noun there and it is start with the C. Then it is one of the consonant. Then we put here a. Okay, Ankit needs a car. Okay. Then a and n are used when we talk about a single person. Okay, mostly it's a single person, a single person, a single animal, single things. If there is a plural, then you can't put any articles. Okay, you can't put there is a or n articles there. So a and n are used when we talk about a single person. Okay, here we can see there is a once an apple. Okay, only one apple there. There is no apples. And here is the Ankit needs a car. Okay, car. There is only one car. There is no cars. Understand? So a and n are used when we talk about a single person, animals, things, and so on. Okay, and a is also used before a vowel if the start with the sound of a consonant. Okay, if the sound with the consonant, so you can write there is. Listen, we have some example. My sister is university student. Okay, my sister is blank university student. Then Alex is European. Alex is European. There is a two sentence. Okay, there is a two sentence. If the consonant, if the sound of them, if the sound of them, there is a sound of with a vowels, then you put a consonant there. Okay, my sister is blank university student. University. Okay, there is a sound of consonant, so we write here a. My sister is a university student. Alex is blank European. Okay, Alex is blank European. European start with the U. So we put here a. Okay. Then we are on the, there is a two articles, there is a n and a also. Okay, a n, and we are on the. Okay, then we will see. Okay, then we are on the articles. Okay, articles the is used for a particular things or any unique building, trains, ship, and so on. Okay. So the article mostly it is a particular name, particular person, particular job, particular sea, particular continents there, particular mountains, particular rivers there. So we can use the article before it. Okay, just like if there is a particular river, just like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Tapti, the Narmada are there. Okay, the mountain, the Himalayas. Okay, the Mount Everest, the Mount K2. Okay, so we can use these articles before it. Okay, then there is in the case of some historical monuments, just like the Red Fort. Okay, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. It is a historical monument. Means it is the article mostly used the one of the only things, one of the only person that then we can use the article. Okay, if in case of there is a newspaper, just like newspaper, just like the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Okay, so we can use the article before it. Okay, there is a historical monuments, if there is a newspapers. Okay, if there is some epics. Okay, then just like the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, just like the Gita ji. Okay, so we can use before it. The article mostly we can use before it. Okay, then the train. We have some specific trains, just like the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express. Okay, then we can use the article before this now. Okay, then the sea. Okay, sea, we have the Arabian Sea, the Red Sea. Okay, we can use the articles before it. Okay, then if there is any higher post, just like the principal, the prime minister, the president of India. Okay, then we use the article before it. Okay, then we revise it. If there is a articles the is used for a particular things or any unique building, trains, ship, and so on. Okay, and in case of historical monuments, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Okay, in case it is a newspaper, then there is a Times of India, the Hindustan Times. Okay, if there in case there is some epic, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. Okay, then the trains name there is the Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express there. Okay, then some seas, just like the Arabian Sea, the Indian Sea. Okay, the Indian Ocean, the Red Sea. Okay, there is a higher post also, the principal, the prime minister, and the president of India. Okay, we have some continents, just like the Asia, the America, the Antarctica. Okay, the Australia, just like that. So it is a divided by, it is a one of the person, then we can use the article before it. So in this chapter, in this lesson, we complete our articles. Okay, there is a and the. Okay, and mostly use before the nouns, and a use before the consonant. Okay, we have a 26 alphabet. There is a 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Okay, then we use vowels before we use n articles before vowels, and then we use a article before consonant. Okay, if the pronunciation change, then we can put we can put the same, we can put the same articles there. And the mostly we can see it is used for a particular things, any unique things. Okay, any unique things means one of the only thing. Okay, just like building, trains and sheep and so on. So now I complete my lesson. Okay, articles. Now thank you.